Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the washer pump on a 2011 Ford F-150. You need any parts for your car? Click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. On the Ford there is this shield flap guard. It's like a wind reflector to bring the wind directly into the radiator, condenser, coolers. So it's just a plastic body clip with a little screw on it. Take a Phillips screw, just slide it out. Sometimes you can just barely get it to come out, and then just grab your finger and just pull that right out of the way. So you have 3 mounting bolts. You have 1, 2 on the top, and then the middle one there. They're all 10mm socket. Just remove them and set them aside. Then you're going to grab onto the headlight. It has 2 push pins on the inside, again, the fender well. So you just have to grab onto it real firmly and pull. Okay, so the pins are over here in this fender well by the blinker assembly light. So you're going to grab the inside of the socket, the headlight assembly, and just grab and pull real firm. And you can pull that out. See the connectors? You have 3 connectors. You've got the marker light, blinker here on the side. It's a tab. Let's see if we can get to it. There we go. There's a push down tab. Push down, squeeze, pull that out. You got a tab on the headlight. Do the same. Then here is the actual blinker. So once you've removed your headlight assembly, you can access the washer pump. I'm got a catch bucket underneath, a clean one, and I run some clean hose. I'm just going to run that hose down to the bucket. I'm going to give this a shot. When I disconnect the hose, let's see if I can catch as much of the fluid as I can without making a mess. So now I'm going to pry this back. I'm going to lose some washer fluid, but hopefully not too much of a mess. Reroute that back on. Perfect. Let's see, yep, and it's draining in our bucket. If you have an empty washer fluid jug, you can put it right in there too. I feel like I've gotten as much out as I'm going to, so I'm going to take the hose off. Let's see if anything comes out. Nope. We're going to lose some anyways. Once that pump comes out, should lose a little bit. So now that I've drained the washer fluid out, I can disconnect the connector. That's a tab. We're going to push in on that, pull up. And then it's basically, you just give it a good tug out, and it's, as you can see, it connects on the bottom. So I'm going to get a little prying going on back there. So there's the rubber, big rubber gasket that this sits in. So we're just going to move it back and forth. There it is. And there's your washer pump. Now to install your washer pump, you're going to just reverse the procedure. Your new pump might come with that new gasket. So if it does, obviously replace that. And that is a matter of just pinching it, pulling it down here, and working the rubber seal out. So I'm going to put the rubber back in first, then I'm going to push the pump in. connect my hose. And then you can connect the electrical connector. Don't forget to add your fluid, fill it up. I would check it before I put the headlight assembly back in, make sure it works and there's no leaks under the pressure when you activate the pump. Now to attach the headlight assembly to the vehicle, we're going to reconnect our connectors that we disconnected. We have the marker light, the headlight, and then the turn signal connector. Now we're going to line the side ears up inside that fender well. You want to line these ear tabs, the lock tabs up with those holes in the fender well. Make sure the top's lined up with the bolt holes and give a good firm push. And now you can reassemble your 3 mounting bolts. So we have the 2 mounting bolts on the top and the one in the center here in the front. Once again, that's a 10mm socket. Don't forget to put the wind guard back with the body clip push in. And there you go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.